Okay, firstly, a very warm welcome to everyone that who had first visited in my channel. So today in this video, I'll be basically talking about how to create React app. So in order to create React app, firstly let me create a React app through Visual Studio Code. Let me open new file. Okay, I will select in desktop. Okay, let me create here now. Okay, in order to create React app, basically there's two ways. That thing I will talk in later part. So firstly let's move to desktop. Okay, let's create here. Yes. Create. Right. And let's keep our React app name as admin. So okay, now it will create our app in few more minutes. So it will take few more time. So let's wait out here. So meanwhile, I will talk about the differences between NPX and NPM. That I have told you that in order to create a React app, there is two ways. Firstly, you can create a React app using the NPX, or either you can use it like NPM. So basically the two differences between NPX and NPM, it is NPX, it is only for this directory. It's only for this directory. If you create the app using the NPX, then this app can be used only within this directory. It cannot use other directories. So as for the NPM, it is created globally. If you create NPM, then it can use in any other directory also. Right now my directory is in OneDrive desktop, and if you move back to OneDrive also, you can out here also you can use my React app. So right now I have created my React app. Name of the project, it is admin. So I have created the admin app using the NPX. So it can only be used within this directory only. So if I show you the practically, then that's how we use. Let's move to desktop firstly. That's where I create my React app, right? I have created in desktop. So first thing, you can either use it NPX or NPM also. NPM also. So if you use NPX, then you can everything is same, only the prefix one it is different. Create React app, yes, and out here you can give any name that you want it to. Okay, sorry, mistake. Out here it is a React app, and here you can give any name. Similarly, if you want to create globally, you can create here. You can type here NPM. Yes, that's how we create project using NPM and NPX. NPM is globally, whereas NPM is not globally. That's the only differences between the NPM and NPX. Okay, let's move back and see whether we have successfully created. Yes, we are done with creating React app. Okay, let me check in direct. Admin is out here. Okay, in OneDrive that is out. Yes, we have in OneDrive. Our directory is basically in OneDrive inside the desktop. Inside this one, it is the React app that we have created. So out here, let's see, these are the inbuilt modules in the React app. So basically in order to, if I want to run this admin app, then it is basically load from this app.js. Right now let's run. It was in desktop, yes, it was in admin, right? So cd admin. Let's move to admin. Then let's start npm start. In order to run our project, we must use this command. Right now this one is a default that were created by the React app. So let me check. See, you can see the web page. Actually, right now we haven't put anything in React app, right? In app.js. So this is basically that was created by default React web from the React. So this is basically loaded from the app.js. So let me keep out here as of right now. So this here, this is the main page that we're loading out here. See, you can see here the edit. So here is source app.js and save to reload. These are all whatever we write in this app.js, then it will be loaded out here in our local host. So right now let's delete all those things. Let's hide this one and delete hello world. Just keep hello world, right? Okay, here you can see hello world. I know we have command all those word that was default, right? So right now we have command all. So here we have that hello world. That's clearly shown out here, hello world. So the reason that this hello world was in the center is because of that the CSS of this by default CSS that right now they have used the app.css. So basically it's all the style is all mentioned out here. So that's the reason that app.js was loading. This hello world was loaded in the middle of the page. That's how we create React app. Okay, let's uncomment again. Let's delete our own. The default one looks much cooler, right? See here, that's how we create React app. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching everyone. Please don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. If you like the video, please share with your friend. It may be benefits to some of the friends that haven't encountered yet with this topic, how to create a React app. So please share with another friend. Thank you.